Dialysis. Introduction. Where is the kidney? Choose one of the following options. Correct. Each kidney is shaped like a bean. The human body has 2 kidneys. The kidneys filter harmful substances out of the blood. Select true or false. Correct. Harmful substances called toxins are sent out of the body through urine. During hemodialysis, a special filter removes the waste and extra fluids from the blood. Select true or false. Correct. Hemodialysis does the work of the kidneys by removing waste from blood. Peritoneal dialysis uses a catheter placed in the abdominal cavity and a liquid dialysis solution to cleanse the blood. Select true or false. Correct. Peritoneal dialysis does the work of the kidneys using a catheter placed in the abdominal cavity and a liquid dialysis solution to cleanse the blood. Which of the following types of dialysis does not use a machine? Choose one of the following options. 1. Hemodialysis. 2. Peritoneal dialysis. Correct. Peritoneal dialysis does not use a machine. Which of the following is a common condition related to kidney failure and commonly seen in hemodialysis patients? Choose one of the following options. 1. Extreme tiredness. 2. Itching. 3. Joint and bone problems. 4. All of the above. Correct. These conditions are all related to kidney failure and are common in hemodialysis patients. Which one of the following statements is not true about peritoneal dialysis? Choose one of the following options. 1. It requires training. 2. It is the only method that can be done at home. 3. It often takes less time than hemodialysis. Correct. Some patients can do hemodialysis at home. Both types of dialysis require adjustments in your life. Select true or false. Correct. Both hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis take time and may cause you to have less energy. Adjusting to this new reality can be difficult. Consuming too much protein can be harmful to the heart during hemodialysis. Select true or false. Correct. High-quality protein should be added to the diet of a dialysis patient. Too much potassium and salt, as well as drinking too much fluid, can be harmful to the heart. Thank you for using Explain.